Hello, kids! Do you want to be a polite kid? Today, we will learn how to say po at opo. Subscribe for more fun lessons. Let's start. Po, opo. Again, po, opo. Great job. What do po and opo means? We say po at opo to show respect. We use them when talking to older people. Opo is the polite way to say yes or oo. We add po to words to sound polite. Let's pretend and try to use po at opo. Did you eat? Opo. Come here. Opo. Say good morning. Magandang umaga po. Say good evening. Magandang gabi po. Mahusay. Very good. Repeat after me. O, po, opo. Magandang umaga po. Magandang gabi po. Again. Opo. Magandang umaga po. Magandang gabi po. Kids, let's try to use po at opo. Which one is polite? Salamat or salamat po? Correct. The answer is salamat po. Another one. Magandang umaga or magandang umaga po. That's right. The answer is magandang umaga po. Good job, kids. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. You are a polite kid. Don't forget to say po at opo. Thank you. Salamat po. Subscribe and let's learn together.